I'm going to explain about the Indian scientist, that is Indian first woman aeronautical scientist, Kalpana Chawla. She is an Indian origin, but an American astronaut born in the year 1962, but her date of birth was falsified for writing a matriculation exam. It was falsified to 1961. After writing her matriculation exam, she has joined a Bachelor of Engineering in Punjab Aeronautical Engineering College. After doing the engineering, she has flight to the US and did her master degree and PhD degree from USA. She was greatly passionate by flying into the space and flying into the aeroplane. So right from her beginning in her childhood, she was going to flying clubs along with her father. It was when she got associated with NASA, she has applied for the NASA NASA Aeronautical Corps, and she was selected for that one for the first time. So then after selecting that, she was the first among the 6 crew members who has traveled in the space shuttle Columbia in the year 1997. This was a great honor to India. This was a trip for 15 days and 12 hours where our Kalpana Chawla has proved herself to be an efficient scientist. So after returning from there, she has told a slogan that she was thinking that all these days we are a part of the land, a piece of land, but it is not like that. Only after flying to there, she came to know that we are part of, after looking at the stars and satellites, she came to know that she is not part of this land, but she is a part of this entire universe or solar system. So she, after coming from there, she has solved various problems with respect to the software and also with respect to the ground. She has drawn a procedure for the flight crew and also for the ground level procedures. And she was also selected for the second time for flying into the space with the same special space shuttle Columbia. That was the final flight carrying to the space. So this was approved in the year 2001, but due to there was a problem with the launching conflicts, and also due to the problems with the technical problems, the flight was delayed. The launching was delayed for another 2 years. That was in the year 2003. In January 15, the flight has taken off, and the trip was for again lasting for 15 days. While launching only, they have noticed that there is a problem in the wing. So this wing, that is thermal protection part, is lost. So after going into the space, they tried to do various things to rectify that problem, but that was the permanent damage. They could not do anything to that one. So this thermal protection is very much important when the flight re-enters into the Earth's atmosphere because of the hot air present in the Earth's atmosphere. So the fate has happened on 1st February 2003, where the flight was re-entering into the Earth's atmosphere. That time the hot air, as expected, has drawn into the wings and into the aircraft, and the hot air has wobbled the aircraft and it wobbled down. It is over the Texas just before they were arriving. A minute before, it dismantled. So this was the fate, and this was where we have lost a true scientist of our Indian origin, and this was a painful condition, but we can take, she lived only for 41 years, but she has given her memories, her contribution to the India as much as that today we are remembering her. And there are so many streets and so many universities, so many villages and colleges are named after her, in her name, in her honor. She is considered to be true national hero of India. A big salute to her. There was many awards given in her name, and there was a true inspiration. Many filmmakers have approached her husband and asked for making a film in her name, but her husband was not interested because he wants to keep her life private. So she always says that if you have a dream and a path to success definitely arrives. It is only your inner motivation and a courage to go and perseverance to achieve matters a lot. So thank you so much for giving an opportunity to speak on a great Indian woman scientist. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.